Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. First of all, a big thank you. We have reached 100 plus subscribers. So a very big
thank you
from us to you. Also, if you're watching this video and you haven't pressed the subscribe button, please do press it and show us your support. It really motivates us to make more useful videos. Today we're going to do another yoga story. This is aimed for kids between the age 4 to 8. And the name of the story is?
Yoga on the beach.
Yes, yoga on the beach. As you can see, we are dressed ready for the beach. So, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Yes. So, we start off with the story. The name of the story is?
Yoga on the beach.
Yoga on the beach. There was a boy named Tejbhai. And he wanted to go to the beach. So he called his mom and he told, Amma,
I will go to the beach.
I want to go to the beach. But then his mom said, no, today we cannot go to the beach. The conditions are not right. So he was all very frustrated and angry. So his mom came and gave him a cup of hot turmeric milk. He really loved turmeric milk or chocolate milk, whichever you like.
I like chocolate milk.
Hot chocolate milk it is then. So he took his hot chocolate and he sat up straight.
It is chocolate.
It is chocolate. Yes, he sat up straight and then he took a deep breath in and blew over his hot chocolate. Again, breathe in, blow over your hot chocolate slowly so that it cools down a bit. So breathe in.
I have chocolate.
Has it cooled down a bit now?
Yeah.
And then he took a big slurp. How did he take a slurp? So he rolled his tongue as a straw. Like this, and then he took it in. And as he breathed out, he made this noise. So I'll do it one more time so that you can follow me. It's like Did you get it? Did you get it right? Yeah, hope you get it right. And then, so it's like We'll do it one more time. After having his hot cup of chocolate milk, he was so calm and he was so happy. He closed his eyes. He was just like sitting there still when he heard his mom. Tejbhai, let's go to the beach. He opened his eyes in disbelief and then he was so excited. Yeah, he was so happy. He spread his legs in the front. He took his bag, he put it there. Now he stretched out to his right. To his right, he took up his pair of sunglasses. He put it in his bag. He took some toys from the left. He put it in his bag. Then he took his pair of swimsuit from his shelf up high and then put it in his bag.
And sunglasses.
Yeah, and sunglasses. And then twist. He took a sandwich. He put it in his bag and then twisted to the other side. He picked up bag of biscuits, put it in his bag, and then he called his friend. Tring, 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 tring. And then he picked up the phone and then he said, hello?
Friend.
Hello friend. What is the name of his friend?
Auju.
Auju. So he called up Auju and said, Auju, I'm going to the beach today. Do you want to join? Auju said, okay, I'll check with my mom and I'll get back to you. So he kept the phone. And then he got a call again. Tring, 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 tring. Tring, 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 tring. He picked up the phone and then he said, hello. Hi.
Auju.
Hi, Auju. Oh, Auju, you cannot come? No worries, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
And then tick. Oh oh yeah, I forgot to cut the phone. So, tick, and then he kept the phone. And then he got up. He got up and he was so happy. He started dancing. How was he dancing? He did the yogic dance like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Going to the beach, beach, beach. We are going to the beach, beach, beach. We are going to swim, swim, swim. Yeah. And then once again, okay. We are going to the beach, beach, beach. We are going to swim, 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 swim. Yeah. And then his mom called him. Tejbhai, we need to catch the bus. So he took up his bag, he put it on and then started running. How to run? Run, 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 run. Run at one place, stay like this. Or you can also run like this. Like this, like this. Yeah? Or like this. Jump like this. Yeah. And then they went into the bus. And there was no seat available, so he tried to reach the handles of the bus.
But he could not.
Yeah, he reached up high. No, he couldn't. He tried one more time.
1 feet distance.
Yeah, 1 feet distance.
And
then
palm tree pose.
Palm tree pose. Very good. Did you also guess the pose right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Very good. Reach up to the handles of the bus. No. Look, someone got off. So let's go and sit down. Again, 1 feet distance. We're going to do the chair pose now. Go on your heels and then sit down. So, sat down on the bus. The bus stop has come. So, we get up. And then look, the ocean. So we're going to run again. Run again. Run, 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 run. And then Tejbhai was tired before he reached the ocean. So he took up his mat. He bent down. He unrolled his mat. And then he took his bag. He put all his stuff on the mat. He took some sandwiches, he put it on the mat and then he sat down to eat those sandwiches. And then as he was eating those sandwiches, he was observing all the things that were around. And he saw a seagull. How was the seagull? The seagull was like this, bent forward and then had his hand on the back. And the seagull was aiming for Tejbhai's sandwich. Tejbhai gave a piece to the seagull. The seagull ate that piece of sandwich and flew up high. And then Tejbhai saw the seagull flying up high in the sky where he saw an aeroplane. And how was the aeroplane? The aeroplane was like this. So I'm going to give you a side angle. So this is how it looks.
Like this.
Yeah. So you can do it using the support of the wall. You can either do it like this. Straighten your legs, Teju. Yeah. You can do it like this, or Teju likes to do it with her wings open. So she takes support of the wall for her legs. Yeah. Like that. Okay. You can do it like this.
Like this.
Yes.
The aeroplane is going here. It's going here, not someone sitting here.
Yeah. Oh, someone's sitting there in your aeroplane. Okay. Do it with your other leg. Ooh. Find your balance. Ooh. He looked at the ocean. And then, whom did he see? He saw a surfer. The surfer was on his surfboard. So you take your right leg in the front.
This leg?
Yeah, right leg in the front, pointing outwards. And then the left leg behind, pointing sideways. And then bend down and then surf on your surfboard.
I'm surfing in my surfboard.
Yeah, surfing.
Here is my surfboard.
Yes, your yoga mat is your surfboard. And then the surfer was so nice at surfing, he started dancing on the surfboard. Like this. Pick your right hand up, the left hand up, la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
And then he saw Tejvai looking at him. So he said, careful. He said, Namaste. And then Tejvai said Namaste again. So he again said, Namaste. And then there was another fellow surfer.
My
This
yoga
time?
mat is.
Your yoga mat is your surfboard.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your left leg pointing forward and your right leg.
Outwards.
Yeah. And then your right leg pointing sideways. And then bend your left.
I have bent.
Yes. Very good. And then surf. Surf, 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 surf. Maintain your balance. Don't fall down in the water. And
I
then
have fallen down in the water.
you fell down in the water. Okay. Yeah. Maintain a balance. And then the surfer was dancing. La 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 la. And then he also said Namaste to Tejvai. Namaste. And then Tejvai said Namaste, so he said
Namaste.
Yeah.
Why he's not namaste like this?
He did say like that. And then Tejvai saw a dog.
Walking.
Yeah, a dog walking on the beach with its master. And then the dog was so happy that it was wagging its tail. Ting, 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 ting. Then the dog lifted its leg, lifted its other leg, and then the dog was dancing again, wagging its tail. Ting, 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 ting. He was so happy to walk on the beach, no? And then
Like he saw the water on he saw Tejvai on the beach.
yeah, he was happy seeing Tejvai on the beach. And then Tejvai had a close look.
And
He saw a snail coming out of the sand like this. Yeah. And then Tejvai gave the snail a leaf. The snail thought that Tejvai was harming him, so the snail went into his shell.
and coming out.
Yeah. And then Tejvai saw a tortoise, a small tortoise. How was the tortoise? The tortoise pose. So you're gonna keep your legs like this, put your hands like this,
Like
and then put your head forward.
you
So
cannot.
you're supposed to do this. Yeah. Like this. Put your hands behind. Perfect. So this is how the tortoise was. Tejvai saw the tortoise going into the water for a swim, and then he thought, I should also go swimming. So what did he do? He wore his swimwear and then he went swimming. How did he go swimming? Like, and then like this also. Swim, 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 swim. Ah. Again. Swim, 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 swim. Was it nice? And then he was super tired. So he came back, he lied down in the crocodile pose. He took a few deep breaths and then he sat down like this. Again, he was observing all the things in the ocean. And what did he see? He saw a boat. This was a new type of a boat. Yeah? And how was that boat? It was a jet boat. It was going like this. Buzz, vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, there was no row in this boat. It was a jet boat. It was like vroom, 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 like a bike. Yeah. So this was how the boat went. And then he again went down in Makrasan, and then he was again observing things. And then what did he see? He saw a dolphin. A little bit of a dolphin that was, yeah, a little bit of a dolphin that was sneaking out of the water. Yeah? And how was the dolphin? Let me show you the dolphin pose. This is how it is. So, you're going to keep your arms on the yoga mat until your elbows, and then stretch out your legs just like the dog pose. Okay, your heels are supposed to touch the ground. Yeah? This is how you do the dolphin pose. So, he saw a dolphin, and then he again came down to observing things. And then he listened to the sound of the waves, and he was very intrigued by the sound of the waves. So he thought he should imitate the sound of the waves. So he sat up straight.
With the chin mudra.
Yeah, with the chin mudra and the back straight. A straight back. Yes. Yeah. And then what he did was he closed his eyes. He took a deep breath in. And then when he breathed out, he opened his mouth, and then he said, as if you're cleaning some glass or something. So take a deep breath in, and then breathe out. Take a deep breath in. One more time. This made him feel so calm. He was very calm, very happy, very joyful. And then he heard someone taking his name, Tejbhai, Tejbhai. And then he rubbed his palms, cupped his eyes. And then there was this sound again, Tejbhai, 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 Tejbhai. And then he opened his eyes, removed his palms, and then what did he see?
His mom!
His mom! His mom was telling him, Tejbhai, Tejbhai, you haven't completed your cup of hot chocolate yet. You fell asleep on your yoga mat. And then what did Tejbhai say? Tejbhai said, I was so happy. I went to the beach in my dreams. So what did his mom say? It's all in your mind. So happiness is just a state of mind. You can choose to be happy anywhere, anytime. Going to the beach or not. Yeah? Yes. Hope you really enjoyed this story of Tejbhai on the beach. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to
Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you. See you next time. Till then, take care.
Bye
Bye-bye. Namaste.